morning everybody and welcome to our penultimate week at school, and what a week it has been. With just over 1 week left now at school, we've still had lots and lots of activities happening at school and lots to talk about and celebrate this week. It's been great to welcome Year 6 back to their first full week back since they returned, and as Year 6 are leaving, they've managed to catch up on some of the activities that they've missed whilst they've been away. So on Tuesday they had a fantastic day at Drayton Manor. Really great to see lots of children being unusually brave and going on some rides that they really thought at the start of the day they wouldn't go on. So really impressed with that. Well done Year 6. Also yesterday we booked the weather for them. You'll have noticed, nice sunny day, and Year 6 had their sports day yesterday as well, so not missing out. Year 6 having their sports day, and I'm pleased to report that the winning house was Team Holly. Yes! Okay, on Wednesday this week, really important day. Lots of excited faces coming into school and also leaving school at the end of the day, because on Wednesday it was our transition day and you all met your new teachers ready for September. So really lovely going around school, you meeting your new teachers, new classrooms as well for lots of you, different places around the school. So what I will say to you now then, you know who your new teachers are, your new teachers know who you are, and there's still a week left. So they're going to be keeping a really careful eye on you around school over this coming week, having a look what you're doing, maybe having a look at some of your work, and just seeing and looking forward to what children they're going to have joining them in September. Okay, today then is our family fun day, so hopefully again, fingers crossed, we've got the weather booked for you. Lots of exciting activities, slightly earlier finish today so that you can meet your mums and dads and meet us all up on the field, and then we've got fantastic stalls and activities for you all when you come into school later on today. Okay, it's almost time to hand over to your teachers now then and find out about all of the remarkable things that you've been doing this week. But one last thing before we go, I can ask you to cross your fingers and just remember, it's coming home. Come on, England!
This week in nursery, we have chosen Ardalan as our child of the week. Ardalan, you've been making a real effort with your behaviour in nursery and how you respond to your friends. I know Mum's really happy with the progress you've made, and so are me and Mrs. Byrne. Keep up the super work. Well done.
My child of the week is Kai. Kai, I was so impressed with your writing on Monday, of your retelling of our story. I was really impressed, well done. And I also know that you're trying really hard to eat your sandwiches at dinner time. So well done, Kai, keep it up.
My star of the week this week is Helen. Helen, I'm really impressed with how hard you've been trying. You've been trying to do lots of work in school and at home. You've been using all of your phonics knowledge, especially with your writing this week, and it's really clear to see. You're making so much progress and I'm so proud of you. Well done, Helen, keep it up.
This week, Mrs. Carley and I have chosen Murtaza as our child of the week. Murtaza, we've been so proud of how hard you've been working in class and your enthusiasm to learn new things. Well done, we're really proud of you.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Anas, and I've chosen Anas for his remarkable work that he's been producing for us. He only joined us last week, but he's tried really hard and is pushing his limits in all of his learning, so well done Anas, it's lovely to have you in our class.
Hi everyone, I'm really impressed with my child of the week this week, and I know Mrs. Brinley is just as pleased as am I. So I'm really pleased to say that Amir, you have been trying super hard with your writing and your maths, and I know that you're going to do excellent in year 2, so well done.
My child of the week this week is Taylor. Taylor, I have chosen you for my child of the week for your fantastic attitude to school life. You come in with a smile on your face every day. You are extremely helpful and you are such a kind member of 2SJ. You have really wowed me in our maths work this week. You now know your left from your right. You can tell me clockwise and anti-clockwise, and you can do quarter, half and 3/4 turns. I'm really proud of you, Taylor. Keep it up.
My star of the week is Nori. Nori, I've chosen you this week because you have completely blown me away with the amount of writing you've done this week. Your story has started beautifully and I cannot wait to read the rest of it. Well done, Nori.
Hi everyone, for my Child of the Week this week I've chosen someone who has made incredible progress this year with their reading. They've come such a long way since the beginning of year 2 and year 3 and I've been really proud of the progress that they've made. This person is really polite, this person works so hard in every single lesson. They've come such a long way by putting their hand up a lot more in lessons and always giving ideas when working with support. So a big well done, Ayan. Keep up the great work and I'm sure you will be amazing in year 4 too.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Latif. Latif only came to us about half a term ago, but since he's joined us, he has done a remarkable job of settling in. He has shown that he always has high aspirations, he always has a positive attitude. You've formed some great friendships with the peers in your class. I've been really impressed, Latif, at just how adaptable and how positive you are. I know you're going to have a fantastic time in year 4 next year. Keep up the remarkable work and well done.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Maxine, and I know everybody in 4SH will agree that Maxine's artwork has been truly amazing, and I'm going to share some of it with you now. And in this example here, she has drawn a sea turtle and she has put into practice the skills that she has been taught. So we've got blending, hatching and hot cross hatching. And in this example here, she has really looked at reproducing in intricate detail a illustration by Ernest Haeckel, and as you can see, they are beautiful pieces of artwork. Keep up the amazing work, Maxine. Bye all.
This week, Mrs. Terry and I have decided to pick Maisie as our remarkable child of the week. Maisie, you are an incredibly big-hearted and hard-working member of the class. Mrs. Terry, I and Mrs. Clark in the library are so appreciative for everything you do for us. I thoroughly enjoyed marking your moral story this week. You used a range of ambitious words and it was incredibly entertaining to read. Thank you for working so hard and please keep this up in year 5.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Ruby Baker. I've chosen Ruby because she's done amazing work in the classroom. She's really great with her friends and I've just generally been really impressed with her. So keep up the great work, good luck in year 6 and well done Ruby.
For my child of the week this week I've chosen Z. I've chosen Z because he's been really resilient and been producing some lovely work. Well done Z, keep it up.
My child of the week this week is for Samaya because all through year 5 she's been an excellent role model to the other students. Her presentation is impeccable, her handwriting is beautiful, her maths book is a joy to mark, her curriculum book is neat and tidy, and she's undoubtedly ready for year 6. So keep up the great work, Samaya, well done.
Hello everyone. 6BP's Child of the Week this week couldn't have been an easier decision. I have to say, it is with great pride that I tell you that it's all of the children in 6BP who went to Drayton Manor with us. What a credit you were. It was lovely being out with you. You did everything you were asked. You were well-mannered, polite. You pushed your limits. You had fun. and we had a remarkable day. And I think that's one of the best trips I've been on. So thank you. You are amazing.
Good morning, everybody. As you know, week on week I come on here and battle with who should be my child of the week in 6CF because they're all literally phenomenal. But we've done stop the clock assessments this week, and so all of them have done so well, but one person really stood out to me with the progress that they have made, and that person is Reese Riddell. So you are my child of the week. I am so proud of the improvements you've made. You've really excelled my expectations in your assessments. I'm really proud of you, and I know things have been a bit difficult recently, so that just makes your achievements even more special. That and the fact that your lungs were epic at Drayton Manor, I think you literally screamed the whole place down. So you get it for that alone. Well done, Reese.
Hi everybody, the Learning Mentors Child of the Week is Reese Checkley. Reese is someone that we're really proud of. He works hard all the time, walks around with a great smile on his face. He's a great character with a fantastic sense of humour, and we really are proud of the progress he's made this year. Well done, the Learning Mentor team, think you're the world of you.
Fatima Ali in 6BP. You are the Child of the Week in the EAL Hub because over the last 3 weeks you've been so resilient in adapting to virtual learning and then back into class-based lessons. You are a remarkable person with such a nurturing nature and a lovable character. You always try your best to push your limits to find out what's possible, and with this positive attitude the world could be your oyster. I'm very sad that you're going to be leaving us soon, but also so proud of you. Fatima, the secret of life is to live it to the full, and an awesome one waits for you. Go and get it, superstar. Well done. See you soon. Bye.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right?
Well,
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
It's live again. It's live again. It's live again. It's live again. It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again.
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah, it's been too long since we got crazy. I'm lucky spinning out. I'm counting down till Friday come. I'm gonna do too much. No, I'm all in my bag, that's clutch. Feeling it. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on a wave, yeah.
It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday.
This can't be bad for me, 'cause I want more. Wanna feel the bass vibrating through the floor.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right?
Well,
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
It's live again. It's live again. It's live again. It's live again. It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again. gonna send a flood, gonna drown a man. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.